Hello everyone, happy Friday. We are going to be talking about numbers and numbers in order and comparing numbers this morning. So let's look down here. I've got some numbers in front of me and they're the numbers 11 through 15. Let's check and see if I have them in the right order. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That sounds good. Now if Miss Willette was going to look at the number 13, what would I say is the number that comes before 13 when we count? It would be 12. And then if I want to say what number comes after 13 when we count? It would be 14. You're right. So I'm going to switch these numbers up and let's see if we can't figure out the right order again. So here we go. Let's work on putting these numbers in the right order. Remember, there are numbers 11 through 15. So what number should come first? Well, it shouldn't be 15. What should it be? You're right, 11. So let's put 11 first. What comes after 11 when we count? Good, 12. What comes after 12 when we count? 13, yes. And then what comes after 13 when we count? Would it be 15? No. What comes after 13? 14. You're right, 14. So now we've got our numbers in order. And if we want to look at number 12, tell me what number comes before 12 when we count? 11. Yes. And what number comes after 12? Why, it's 13. Okay, let's try with a different set of numbers. These are our numbers 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So right now they're in the right order. And if we want to look at number 19, what comes before 19? 18, that's right. What comes after 19? It's 20. So let's mix them up, put them in a different order, and see what we can fix. So remember, these are numbers 16 through 20. So we know we have to start with 16. So a 16 would look like what? A 1 and a 6. Here we are, 16. So let's put that in the front. What comes after 16? Say it to yourself. 16, 17. That's right. What comes after 17? 18. But that's not 18, that's 20. 18 would look like a what? A 1 and an 8. So let's move the 18 over here. So let's see if we've got them in the right order yet. 16, 17, 18. What comes next? What comes after 18? Why, it would be 19. Let's switch those out. There you go. Now we have them in the right order. Good job. So this is kind of like something you're going to be doing today with a sheet that looks like this. So look in your packets. I think this one came with the packet that I sent home or that I brought to your house on Sunday. You're going to put these numbers in the right order. You'll see that they've got numbers already there for you, but they're not in the right order. So what you'll need to do is to write the numbers down below in the correct order. So here we have 14, 13, 12. So which number should come first? Which number is the least? It would be 12, so you'd write 12. What comes after 12 when we count? Why, it would be 13. And then what comes after 13? You would write 14. And so you do the same for these and for these. And then also on the back of the sheet, are comparing numbers. We did something like this very similar the other day, where you're going to count and you're going to write the number. Count and write the number. But this time you're going to circle the number that has fewer, that has less. Well, guess what? Remember, switch your brains on. This is a 10 frame. And we see that 10 frame is full of happy faces. So we know that there's at least 10. So we could start counting from 10. So we would say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And we would write the number 17 down here. Same for this one. The 10 frame is full, so we can start counting from 10. Say 10, 11, 12. So we'd write the number 12. And now you have to ask yourself, which one has fewer, 17 or 12? Are you shouting 12? Good. So you will circle 12. Do the same for these down here. Okay. Well, this was our last video for this week. There is one other thing that you can do if you get bored and want to do something else. You have this maze in your packet from, I think this was from last week as well. It's a maze where you try to figure out how to go from the bee to the flower in the right number order. They want you to go counting from 1 to 10. So you'd start here, you'd color in 1, 2, 3. Now which way would you go? Here to 4? Yes, color that in. And then you want to go to 5, so would you go up or would you go over? You would go over, color 5, and then you want to go up to 6, color 6, and keep going all the way until you get to 10. That's how you do the maze. And there's another maze that looks like this, but it's numbers 11 through 20. So they're going to start you off at 11, and you want to get all the way to 20. Same thing. You count in your head, count 11, 12, so you want to color, color, color. And then here you're at 13. Do you want to go to 14? Yeah, 14. And you want to go where? 10, or do you want to go to 15? You want to go to 15 because that comes after 14 when we count. So you color here. And you keep going through the maze until you get to 20. So this is just something fun you can do. And your parents should have gotten a link in their email to join us for another Zoom show and tell. So I hope you can join us at 2:30 for a Zoom show and tell today. All right, I'll see you later. Bye for now.